together. My job is to help you sort through it.
Oh, cool.
So it's a cheap swab test. You can do it at home. Because of HIPAA privacy, they will not send your information to me. They'll send it to you. But then if you choose to share it with me, I can then help you kind of make sense of it all. Like, what does it actually mean?
You should do it, it's cool. It's helpful, it's really helpful.
That sounds cool. But I don't want to be told what I can eat.
She told me I shouldn't drink so much coffee. I still drink coffee, but I'm better though, because I'm sleeping better, which I need to reduce my inflammation.
Yeah.
And it's it's generally not, and the same thing with the inflammation. Like, it's generally not a don't ever do that. Usually it's, I like the dials. Like, what can we dial up and what can we dial down a little bit? And there are times when it's your birthday, you eat the cake and you're okay. One salad doesn't make you healthy and one pizza doesn't make you unhealthy. So it's more what we do consistently, and like I said, it's a matter of kind of dialing things up and dialing things down. Not completely, I'm not a fan of eliminating things, because I don't know about you, because that just makes me want it more. Tell me I can't have something, that's all I'm gonna want.
You can't get it out of your head,
Curved Outdoors, Germantown, Mrs. Rachel.
Any other questions? Anything else I can answer?
Are there any race strategies to
Allison, actually.
stave off inflammation as long as you can? Most of us are running for hours on end, slowly building it up. Are there any,
So on actual race day?
yeah, like if we're, say, an 8-hour race, like how to stave off so it crashes on you later?
Are you forecasting for Saturday or?
we're doing the Almira 50.
Oh, yeah.
But
I would say it is more important what you do in that week leading up to it, and kind of dialing in things that are anti-inflammatory with that week leading up to that race. That's going to be how your body responds on that day. You're going to have inflammation.
Yeah.
You're pushing your body, and you want inflammation. Because when you do those long races, you're causing damage to tissues in your body. And that's good. That's how we get better. That's how we get stronger. We damage tissue, and then we repair it stronger and better. We want that. So you're gonna have inflammation, but to kind of regulate it best, it would really just be in preparing. Hydration is important. I kind of never know whether to talk about that with nutrition, because it's not a food, but just being well hydrated is really important. That's how your body eliminates inflammation. It's liquid, so it comes out either in the toilet or in our sweat. And the more we can stay hydrated, and again, it's not just race day, it's especially that week leading up to it. Staying hydrated is going to keep your body detoxifying, getting rid of the things, pushing inflammation out, and keeping things moving, so anything isn't just kind of sitting around.
And with that hydration, you're talking about electrolytes too, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you want to be sure you get enough fluid in terms of water, but also you need to balance that, especially if you're sweating, with sodium, potassium, and magnesium. So not just the sodium. Sometimes when we think electrolytes, we're thinking about a big dose of sodium, but we need all of those because they work together, sodium, potassium, and magnesium.
Potatoes. I'm sorry, I said potatoes.
Yeah.
You said something, goo causes inflammation?
I was just referring to the fact that things with artificial colors and flavors and I don't know what products you use. I just was throwing out some products. I throw Gatorade under the bus. I think they have a no dye one now, but
You also
just
have to distinguish between what's mid-exercise versus what's normal course of your day.
yeah, there's absolutely what you do. What you use once a month at a big race versus every single day is a big difference. So, when you have a product that you use maybe twice a month, let's say you do 2 races a month, you use whatever that product is, that maybe wouldn't be ideal on a daily basis, but you use it twice a month, that's not going to build up that inflammation like if you used it every single day.
But a lot of times, I know like I have to like do my long runs and eat the same things that I plan to eat for race day, so I'm not just gonna like throw it in something random on race day, so I'm like puking my guts out. So, like, if I'm like, is it okay, like, say I eat goos like on the weekends or in my long runs, would that like affect it at all?
I don't know what's in your product.
Okay, well, I use the Spring Energy, so it's not really artificial, it's all like whole foods, so.
Yeah.
But like, I'm thinking like the GU goo, I don't know if those are just on.
I don't even know, I'm guessing.
Cameron's gonna go look He's gonna go throw them all away.
Look at mine, just to see.
I'm gonna let Amanda read it. I don't know what all this stuff is.
You can read the small print.
No, you're pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, you're pretty good. Fruit and vegetable juice for color.
Oh.
So we're not talking about like, red number 50
Oh,
and
that's
things like that. It does have sunflower oil and some preservatives, so I don't know, I mean, I wouldn't like down like several of these every single day, as a,
As a meal.
as your,
Yeah.
has amino acids and sodium and caffeine. Yeah. So I mean, that's a pretty good choice, because you don't have a bunch of that, artificial stuff. Sorry, I shouldn't have thrown goo under the bus. I'm just picturing like the colored stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and we have Spring, we have
Yes.
Puma, which is an all-natural product
Yes.
and stuff like that too, so, yeah.
Spring
Yeah.
fall,
I love Puma on like, in the crunch, I'll put peanut butter on a piece of bread and put some Puma on the top, make a little peanut butter and jellies.
Yeah. We're getting fancy now.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do this.
That's awesome.
Anything else?
This is great.